Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can guess the auction price with this auction game by NeoFun. So you can access neo.fun. This is a games and other stuff that you can try to cure your boredom. And this is the auction game. You can click it. Just click start to begin, and here we go. So the round one of 9. This is the Salvator Mundi. This is a real object. Leonardo da Vinci circa a 1500s. And here you can guess the auction price. So let's start with a maybe 900,000 of US dollar. You can click this hammer to guess, and oh, it's half. So we got 563 points. So you can click next. One Julim. This is the artwork of one Julim. So let me guess with 500,000. 500 million. Sorry. Oh, it's only 10,000. Fete de Village, David Wingbone. So let's start with again I want to begin with this one. 300 million US dollar, and it's only 23. Okay, it must be expensive. Paul Saint Louis, Paris, Albert Marquet, painted in 1928-1929. So maybe with this one, 300 million, and almost. So feel free to try to cure your boredom, guess or the price tag with this auction game. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.